Y'all, what is up? What is good? What is... Not even gonna say it. But, it's your girl, ARIE. Welcome back to my channel. I am back with another hair review, of course. I promise real soon I'm gonna be switching up my videos so it won't always be hair videos, you know. But I am back with, Unice, of course. And y'all, from the jump, y'all already know I love me some Unice hair. It be thick, full, everything. Of course, when you open your package, you get the box, and the lashes is already out. They send you some lashes, and
the most important thing is this box.
All I'm gonna say is, back at it again with the 22 inches, man. Unice was nice enough to send me all 22-inch bundles. In the beginning, I don't know if you guys, all my real supporters would know that, I feel like I look so yellow. I don't care. All my real supporters know that I love getting all of the same length bundles because the longer the thinner. But, and I have not been getting that in a while, but Unice always come in clutch, and they sent me 4 bundles of 22-inch water wave. First of all, y'all know I've been trying to get my hands on some water wave in a minute. Like, I'm tired of deep wave and all that other wave. I've always wanted water wave because I love how it looks, and I got a closure to match it. So we're gonna open up the closure. This boy. We're gonna open up the closure. I feel like y'all two just standing behind me like my bodyguards. So
turn up in the video.
Let me get this open. I'm not sure. No, this hair I'm gonna definitely leave black because this is gonna be my first water wave wig. Shout out to Unice once again.
This a booger checker?
No, nigga, that's what you're looking at your mouth when you're looking at your teeth.
I said that's a booger checker.
So this, oh my gosh. I can't even talk. The hair is so freaking soft, yo. This is water wave. And one thing I like about water wave is it's not too loose and it's not too curly, if you know what I'm saying. Like it's in between or whatever. But oh my god, I'm loving this hair, y'all. I'm loving this hair. I'm going to be rocking these 22 inches. I'm not coloring this like I said. Unice hair is so bomb. Also, guys, they're having a Mother's Day sale. So, all the information to the... You're annoying. All the information to this hair company will be down below, y'all. We all know our mothers be wearing frontals and all that stuff for my mother. I want to put a frontal on my mom so bad, or like a bob or anything, but she won't let me because she don't like hair. My grandmother got the short hair, but my real mom, she wears wigs. So... therefore, I know you guys, mothers out there, be wearing wigs, frontals, and all that because they want to stay young. Now, I'm going to try out one of the bundles. The closure is... I don't even know why I'm even talking to you guys about this hair because... y'all already know what I'm about to say about Unice. Like, Unice is my freaking...
It's not Unice,
is my...
Unice.
Unice or Unice? You right? Is it Unice? I've been saying it wrong the whole time.
Unice.
People be saying Unice. I think... I don't care.
Unice is N-I-E-C.
Anyways,
oh, now let me put that on your pillow. That's dirty.
I can't wait to wet this hair and see how it come out. Then again, I might throw color in this. I don't know.
Where this come
Nah,
from?
I'm not gonna throw color in this. But the weft is thick. The weft is mad thick, of course. The bundles don't feel thin at all. They actually feel thick. But I'm glad I have 4 bundles. I probably won't even use all 4. I'll probably use 3.5 or whatever. But yeah, I can't wait to install this hair, y'all. Unice. They always come in clutch, like I said. Never disappointed with anything I get from them. And like I said, this is one of my number 1 companies right now. Whenever people ask me, Unice is always the first company I speak about because no matter the length, I feel like Unice hair is so thick and it be so full. This is Brazilian water wave. I have an 18-inch closer and 2 22-inch bundles. Of course, I'm going to be making this into a wig. I can't remember the last time I make a wig. It was the other day, but usually I don't make wigs. But, yeah, I'm ready to install this hair. I'm ready to install this hair. And like I said, y'all. Where you going? You want you some hair? So yeah, maybe I am. I think I've been pronouncing it wrong. Is it Unice or is it Unice? Like, I'm not sure. But that is the end of this video, y'all. That's all I'm gonna say for this video because it's late. It's 10:23 and your girl's about to not. No, I'm lying. But that's the end of this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Like I said, Unice is having a Mother's Day sale that will end the 12th. Go ahead, check it out. Get your mother some bundles. Get you some bundles. Like, and happy Mother's Day to all the mothers out there. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye. One more thing. Hold on, wait. On the road to 35K, man. On the road to 35K. Share, share, share. Share, share, share. Share, 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 share. What happened? On the road to 35K, man. Let's get it. Let's go. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.
You are packing the air, this gas or what? He'll still be alive right now if you niggas ain't gas him up. Give my shorty stingers and guns, I tell them slap for none.